Good afternoon. You are welcome to our channel where we'll be taking you steps on renewable energy, particularly solar system. I remain engineer Majid Muhammad Salisu, the MD CEO of Maxon Renewable Engineering Company Limited. As we promised earlier that we'll be taking you courses, online courses on solar installation, maintenance and supervision. Here we are today. Basically, we all know we have about 4 components of solar system. Literally, number one, we have solar panel, here with me. We have battery, which is the second component. We have inverter, and lastly, we have solar charge controller. And then we have measuring instruments that are needed in order to take the measurement of the parameters on the said solar system applications, starting from solar panel, its parameters, the open circuit voltage, short circuit current, maximum power current, and what have you. For the voltage, for the battery voltage, same voltage, the rated voltage to the particular battery, and for the inverter, the open circuit voltage, the system voltage, and then input and output voltages. We obtain them through our multimeter, and then we measure current, whether it is AC or DC current, through what we call clamp meter. Even though we can measure other parameters on this clamp meter, but basically it is meant for measuring current. And then here with me, a sophisticated solar meter, rather called MPPT meter, that usually used to measure all the parameters on the solar panel, starting from open circuit voltage, short circuit current, maximum power factor, even the rated power of the particular solar panel at once. So, which means we have all it takes for us to measure the parameters on the solar component. Okay, we're going to start with the first component, which is the solar panel, right? What is solar panel? Basically, solar panel is a device that converts the sun energy, or solar intensity, or solar light into electrical energy. It has a particular cells that are connected in series to give us the total open circuit voltage. Okay, let me tell you, as we are seeing it as a whole, we have a particular cell like this. This very cell that see, this block number 1, we call it a cell. So each cell is capable of producing minimum of 0.5 to maximum of 0.6 VOC. What I mean by VOC is open circuit voltage. Open circuit voltage. What I mean by open circuit voltage? This is the nameplate of this particular panel. The rated power is 450 watt plus 3%, which is the tolerance. And then this is the maximum power current, 11.11 and surplus. And the voltage, maximum power voltage, 37.8, and short circuit current, 12.99, and open circuit voltage VOC, 44.22. And then we have what we call standard test conditions, where we have 3 conditions: temperature at 25 degrees, and air mass density at 1.5, and then irradiance at 1000 watt per meter square. Now, which means this solar panel, since the open circuit voltage here is 44.22, even though if the nameplate is not provided at the back of the solar panel, we can be able to know the actual power, rated power of the particular solar panel. How? Since we have seen that the BOC is starting from 0.5 to maximum of 0.6. You can say each cell is 0 plus 0.5 plus 0.5, which means we can count the number of cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which means on the horizontal axis we have 4, and then for the vertical axis we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Which means we have 4 by 18. Basically, when you multiply 0.5 times 18, 0.5 times 4 times 18, it will give you the actual open circuit voltage to this particular solar panel. Okay, this is it for the open circuit voltage. What is this open circuit voltage? It's just a kind of pressure that will be pushing the maximum power current to where? To the battery. Because, like I explained here, we have two types of current: ISC, and IMP. These are the two obtainable currents at the back of the solar panel. This is short circuit current and maximum power current. And now, we use this IMP throughout our solar system components. Basically, short circuit current is not usable, it's only meant for what? For testing. Alright? So now, using this solar meter, it will display both the IMP, the ISC, the BMP, the VOC, and what have you. This is the carton to the solar meter, as you can see. Alright? Okay. So now, when we have one cell, it has 0.5 volt. And then when you have more than a cell, it has become solar module, like this cell, and this is another cell. Okay? So the connection, we have plus here and minus here, plus here, minus here. So which means the interconnection of more than one from what we call solar module. And then when we have many modules connected in series or connected together, it has become solar panel. So which means interconnection of these cells